Hello everyone, I am Vaishali. Today I am going to give you a dictation of 800 words at the speed of 105 words per minute. So get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. I am grateful to you for inviting me here today, though I rather doubt if I can help you very much in your deliberations. Full stop. All I can do is to encourage you and to express the goodwill and the earnest desire of the government to see that science flourishes in India and scientists have every opportunity to do good work. Full stop. My friend has surveyed the field of our work here fairly comprehensively, what has been done, what is being done, and to some extent what he hopes will be done. Full stop. Largely, I agree with what he has said. Full stop. Para change. A little more than 5 years ago, we passed the scientific policy resolution full stop. I was reading it today and I felt that it was a good resolution. Full stop. If we had to sit down to draft it today, probably it would not be very difficult from what we did then. Full stop. The question that arises now is how far have we lived up to it? Full stop. We have perhaps not implemented it as fully as many of us had hoped. Full stop. Para change. I think there is a general appreciation in India of the importance of science and technology. Full stop. Its importance is no doubt growing in our universities and special institutes. Full stop. More and more students are taking to the study of technical and scientific subjects. Full stop. Yet I do not suppose it will be true to say that the background of general thinking in India is governed and educational process and the industrial and technological changes that are coming about in the country. Full stop. As a matter of fact, the two are closely allied. Full stop. Para change. There is one criticism that is often made about the financial resources that are made available for scientific work. Full stop. Although we are now spending more on scientific work than previously, it is, I suppose, true to say that we are rather slow moving in that direction and some of our scientific work has suffered because of lack of money. Full stop. Some months back, a committee was appointed, I think, with Dr. Bhabha as chairman to look into this matter and to recommend what more could be done to help scientific research and also what it is possible to economize. Full stop. The object of the committee was really to encourage useful and profitable expenditure for scientific research. Full stop. Para change. We did not want merely to say that so many crores of rupees would go into scientific research, but rather to have it examined how it should be done. Full stop. That committee, so far as I know, has not yet produced any report or recommendations. Full stop. But I wish to assure you that in spite of our very considerable difficulties at the present moment because of the emergency and for other reasons, government will not hesitate to supply more funds for scientific research provided some kind of a reasoned approach is made. Full stop. It is not enough merely to say give more funds, but if it is explained where more funds are required, I am sure and I have in fact been told by our finance minister that he will certainly meet such demands wherever necessary. Full stop. Para change. Ultimately, it is the educational apparatus behind all this that counts, especially universities and specialized technical institutions. Full stop. They are growing. I hope they are growing both in quality as well as in quantity. And behind that, again, the general level of mass education is also improving. Full stop. During these days of emergency, when very considerable defense burdens were cast upon us, we decided, in spite of those burdens, that we must not slacken in our efforts at development, because such a development was itself basic to strengthening the country. Full stop. Any attempt to cut down on that would ultimately weaken the country. Full stop. Para change. In that scheme of development, I attach the greatest importance to education. Full stop. Some people seem to think that useful as it is because is not so important as putting up a factory. Full stop. I might sacrifice any number of factories, but I will not sacrifice human beings and their education, because it is the human being who sets up the factories and produces the things we want. Full stop. Factory by itself is very useful and desirable, but unless it makes that impact on the human being, it will not useful. Full stop. Para change. After all, what is our purpose in life? Question mark. There are certainly many purposes raising the level of living and all that. I would put producing good trained human beings as the main purpose. Full stop. It is the trained human being that produces the rest. Full stop. If you do not have trained human beings, then you get lopsided growth and you do not make such progress as you should. Full stop. It is not merely technology you impart to the human being, but also other kinds of training which enable him think and lead what might be called a good life. Full stop. Science is most important. Full stop. But it is not complete by itself unless you use the term science in a sense than mere technology. Full stop. Thank you.